Hi guys, it's Avas from Trendy Startups. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix if mouse cursor disappear on Windows 10. So let's get started. Simply goes to start button, right click on it and click on device manager. So simply click on mice and other pointing devices. Now click here and click on drivers, and here you can see the option disable the device. So simply click on it and enable this device. Click on yes. Again disable this. It may solve your problem, but if does not, the last method is again open the mouse, click on drivers, and here you can see option of update drivers. Click on next. After clicking next, drivers start updating. After doing this, restart your PC and it may fix your problem. I hope this information was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.